Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Copilot on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just open up your browser, then on Google search for Copilot, then just go to the first link, then just make sure you're signed in, then just click on the three dot icon. After that, you need to go to apps, then click on install this site as an app. After that, just click on install, then make sure pin to taskbar is checked and click on allow. After this, Copilot will be added to your taskbar. Just close this. Click on yes. After this, just click on this. You can type anything here to use Copilot. For example, what is the value of pi? And it will give me the answer. Just wait. And there you go. And that is how to use Copilot on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.